Hi, so this is part 2 of the stiffened pillbox. The stiffened felt has now set, and I'm going to cut it into this nice teardrop shape. Go. Nice shape, and then we're going to cover it with this beautiful fabric. See if the pattern, one little bit of the pattern on, probably that corner's a bit better. So that's perfect. Leave about an inch around it, because that will fold under. So I'm going to do it like that. If you didn't see my video on how to stiffen the felt, then please look for that video. It's called How to Stiffen a Hat Base, or How to Stiffen Felt to make a hat base. Alright, so I've gone a bit over the top, but it's better to have too much, and you can always cut off the excess. So I'm going to put some glue on there. So just use all-purpose super glue. Right, stick it in the middle-ish. Let's see if that looks nice. It's getting nice and smooth. And that's perfect. And get some glue on the inside. So you just stretch it over your base, nice and tight. Close in a bit more, nice and tight on the corner, and then I'm going to cut off the excess, fold it under, and glue that into place. So then I've traced around the oval shape just to give it a felt patch and a nice look underneath to hide the fabric that you've put under there. just glue that on, and then I've sewn on a thin metal hairband and sewn on some flowers. You could also not do it for flowers, make a nice felt bow. You can see that instead. Feathers, whatever you prefer. I thought it looked quite nice with the flowers. So I hope you liked the tutorial, and I'll see you soon.